All right, so let's get right into it. Aromatics tease me. If you like fresh, clean, crisp citrus, if you like that, you will like this right here. Okay. This is, if I had to give you that designer, mind frame, the Shane has a scent called Wulong Sha. Okay. Again, Wulong Sha. If you know about that, then, you know, something similar. But again, as always, aromatics is not a dupe. It's not a clone. These are original DNAs. All right. This I got in the Summer Vibe sampler from Aromatics and French Avenue collab. If you're looking to see what Aromatics is about, get that Summer Vibe sampler. All right. You can't miss with that. You see the dent I put in this already? You see the dent? After Forbidden Fruit, I went right to this. I'm getting the bigger bottle asaptually. Believe me when I tell you that. So if you're trying to see again what Aromatics is about, get that Summer Vibe sampler. You'll get this. You'll get Forbidden Fruit and a couple others. All right? Get it.